Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は卵がとろっとろの美味しい親子丼を作ります。
Okay, let's have her prepare the ingredients. Cut the chicken meat into 1-inch pieces. Slice the onion into 1/4-inch slices. Japanese wild parsley is called mitsuba in Japan and cut mitsuba into 1-inch pieces. Slightly beat the 2 eggs in a bowl. To get light and fluffy texture of oyakodon, don't beat the eggs too much. Okay, let's start cooking. Dissolve granulated dashi into water. Add sake, mirin, sugar, and soy sauce. Stir lightly and turn on the stove. Add the onion and put the lid on. After 2 or 3 minutes, add the chicken pieces and put the lid back again. Turn the chicken pieces over. After the chicken is cooked, slowly add 2/3 of slightly beaten egg. Stir lightly and cover with the lid. Simmer only for 10 seconds and add the rest of the beaten egg. Add Japanese wild parsley, put the lid on, and immediately turn off the stove. Allow the ingredients to settle for 15 seconds. Slide the topping from the pan onto hot rice served in a bowl. Chicken, onion, and soft and fluffy egg. Oyakodon is a simple and delicious Japanese dish. It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck in the kitchen.